Hey guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got the OLM BM style carbon fiber hood scoop specific for the 15 plus WRX and STI. Now this is going to be an add-on piece for your factory hood scoop, and it's going to give you much more aggressive styling. Now, this is one of those pieces where I wouldn't think that would make such a big difference, but once it's installed on the car, it really helps break up that kind of sea of same colorness going on across the hood, and also helps make the factory colors pop really well. It's the same reason I like, the black vents on a GTR and stuff like that. It just helps break up the monotonous color across the car. Plus, with the, kind of 3D projection here on the front, it really helps add a bit of aggressive styling. Now, install, super easy. It's literally double-sided taped on using, 3M ultra sticky tape, so it's never gonna come off, and it's a really thin tape, so it sits nice and flush, much like you would expect a factory piece to fit. Now the nice thing about that is you can always take it off later. Maybe you wanna try something different, or maybe you're gonna sell the car and you wanna sell this to a buddy or something like that. Either way, it's a very cool piece, very lightweight. It's just an absolute gorgeous piece. Make sure to check it out in the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.